Today we're going to combine multiple Excel files from a folder into a simple Power BI table. So let's look at that. We are going to combine multiple Excel files into one Power BI table from a folder. And to start doing that, we need to go to Transform Data. And we need to specify the folder. Therefore, we go to New Source and More. And here we're going to specify the folder and the folder path. We press Folder. And here we specify the folder path. And in this case, it's a folder sample files. And now we get a preview of the folder. And everything's fine here. We can see the name of the Excel files, and we press Transform Data. And now you can see the same view. And in this case, we need this content. And to extract that, we need to add a custom column. And we're going to call this one Table. And to extract the content, we need to specify Excel Workbook and the column Content. And now we have the data table in here. As you can see, we have the sheet for each file. And now we just need to keep those two columns and remove the rest. And now we can extract the data. We press OK here. And now we have all the sheets in the files. And what we're interested in here is the table data. And as you can see, the data from the sheets are here, but we need to promote the headers before we do any extracting. So to do that, we can add a new custom column. We can call this Data with Headers. And we need to use the command table promote headers and choose the table data. And now we have this table where the headers have been promoted. And now we are ready to extract. But first we need to remove all the rest of the columns because these are not interesting. And now we can just extract and choose whatever we want from the files and press OK. In this case, we take it all. And now we have 3 different files in one simple table. As you can see here, we have sample file 1, sample file 2, and sample file 3 in one simple extract maneuver. And it only took us a few steps to get here. And if you add new Excel files to the folder that matches the rest, it will automatically add it to the list here. So you automatically get the new data from the folder whenever you need new data. So that's an easy way to get all the data from multiple files into Power BI.